Hello everyone, this is Melissa the Stamp Doc, and today I want to share with you my October 2024 card club projects. There's still time as of right now when I'm shooting the video for you to sign up for card club and receive the 4 cards I'm showing. Cost is $39.99 a month, and it is a reoccurring subscription. You can pause it or cancel it at any time. So if you just want this month, you can sign up and then cancel it for next month. I will leave the link for that in the description below, so that if you want to sign up, you can. You will need to get your signups done by Thursday, October 24th, 2024. After that, this kit will no longer be available. So these will ship out on Monday, October 28th, and you should have them by the very beginning of November. So for my card club, we always make 4 projects. You get to make 2 of each design. You will need to have the bundle in order to do the cards exactly as I've shown. And this month we're using the Snowy Wonder bundle. So let me show you 3 of the projects, and then I'm going to demonstrate the 4th one for you because it's got a little bit extra to it. So the first thing that you're going to be able to make is a little hot cocoa packet. So this is a great way to give a little gift item. And again, you'll make 2 of these in your card kit. Now you may get a different ribbon because this particular ribbon just went on back order. And even though I had enough ordered for all of my club members, it did not ship. So you may be getting the blue pom-pom ribbon instead, but I will order whatever is available when I go to order. So when you open this up, inside you have a little hot cocoa packet, and you can always substitute this with something else, but I do provide you with the hot cocoa packets, and again you will make 2 of these. You get half a pack of the Snowy Scenes Designer Series paper, so if you don't like this particular pattern, you can always choose one of the others and do that a different way if you want. I will include a full color PDF tutorial that has all of your measurements, so if you want to recreate these at home, you can. But all of your base cardstock is cut. You will just have to cut your designer series paper that you receive in your kit. So this is a fun fold card, and it opens up like this, and then this. So very fun, and certainly you could do this with any other stamps and cardstock that you have. And again, you'll get all those measurements in the PDF tutorial. And then we've got one more fun fold here, and this one flips up like this, and then that part flips down. So again, you'll be able to do it just like I've shown, or you can actually switch out the paper to something else. And all of the cardstock here is already pre-cut and scored for you. So if you're one of those people that doesn't like to do those type of measurements, I've already got those done for you. All you'll have to cut is your designer series paper, and those measurements are super easy. All right, so the card that I'm going to demonstrate for you is a shaker card. And if you've never made a shaker card, they can be a little bit daunting, but they're super easy and lots of fun to make. So I wanted to include that in there. And remember, you've got enough to make 2 of each of these cards, and you'll even have some extra stuff left over. So I'm going to start with my card base. And again, this is already cut and scored for you, so you don't have to think on that at all. And I'm going to use this paper. Now, if I wanted to, I could even put this paper on the background instead. And I'm not going to do that on this one, but like I said, you've got those options if you want that. But I'm going to go ahead and stick with the plaid, and I'm going to put that right down on the paper. Now, this one did not involve any stamping, so the snow globe image I actually got off of the paper. So I picked a different one for this one, and I cut that with the die. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the card where I know I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and just adhere that down. And again, I'm going to show you kind of an easy foolproof method for making this happen, okay? So we're going to put that one down. And then I also went ahead and did the base, but I'm going to wait to put that on at the end. So both of those come directly off the paper. Of course, if you want to, you can stamp it if you have the stamps. So from your scrap paper, well, actually, I cut this for you. And this one slid just a little bit, so let me show you. But you're going to want to die cut from basic white cardstock. And again, I've done this for you. If you've bought a kit, I have done this for you already. But if you want to recreate it, I want to show you how to do that. So this is one of the circles from the Stitch Shapes dies. I think it's the second to largest. And then this is from the Snowy Wonder Bundle. And I just tape these two together with some of my Post-it note tape and run that through my machine. And then this is what I get. So this is what we're going to use to make that shaker card. The other part that you're going to need is a window sheet. And so I cut that full from that snowy scenes, same one that we did this one. So really you want all of those just to be the same size. So I am going to use my liquid glue for this. You can use whatever you like, but you do need a strong adhesive. But I like the liquid glue because I know it's going to cover it. And I can kind of wiggle it around a little bit too. And it dries pretty quickly. So we're going to do that on here. So again, I'm just adhering that to the window sheet. And I'm going to set it aside so it's got just a little bit of time to dry. In your kit also, so I told you get half a pack of the Snowy Scenes Designer Series paper. You're also going to get the little loose snowflakes. So these are perfect for shaker cards, but you can also add them as embellishments to your other cards. So your fun fold cards that we did, you can use those for them too. And then, like I said, you're going to get the ribbon also. So usually I include about $22 to $25 worth of product in your kit. So you'll actually have lots of embellishments that you can use in your card club kit. So I'm going to make sure that's on there pretty good so you can see that. So then we're going to flip this over. And I do include some of these foam adhesive strips in your kit. I want you to be able to have everything you need in order to make this. And we're just going to kind of follow the outline of this snow globe. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, we just don't want it to show. So we're going to make sure that it's just right around those edges. I don't know, I think we can make it with just one, because you want to make sure that's sealed. You don't want that to move around. So you can see how I've got that there. All right, perfect. Okay. So normally what you would do is fill all your inside here with the embellishments and then put your stuff on top. But we're going to do it a little differently. I'm going to take my snowflakes and I'm going to sprinkle them just right here on top. And I'm going to kind of flatten them out so I can see. I'm probably not going to put as many in this one as I did my first one. But they are a little itty bitty. So I've got enough there. And then we're going to peel this backing off. That off. I don't know why this one's being stubborn. All right, let's see. A little extra there. All right, kind of rotate it a little bit. I think it'll be okay. So you've got that. So again, this is the top part, and then we're going to just line that on there. You want to push that down and make sure that is sealed all the way around, okay? Because if it's not sealed all the way around, those little shaker things are going to fall out. And so then we get a little bit of a little shaker effect there. Now sometimes less is more on those. I really filled this one up and I think it's a little too much because sometimes you can't see the little penguin in there. All right, then I'm going to put this on with some dimensionals. I'm just going to add a couple of those. And put that at the bottom. Now the only thing with using this different color scheme is I still like that red. I think I keep knocking my camera. I apologize for that. It's not holding on there very good. But I really do like that penguin. So I'm going to put the penguin on instead of a snowflake. So I'm going to do that right there. And I'm going to just put a little adhesive on his head so that he stays in place. We're going to put him right there. And to give him just a little pop of color, I'm going to go ahead and add a little candy cane. Okay, so you can see that even though, you know, with Card Club, I do have a pretty set type of project, you can always customize that for whatever you like. So again, I hope you enjoy these projects. You get the shaker cards, you'll get 2 of each of the fun folds. So my 2 fun folds, let's see where, oh, my other one fell on the floor, so I'm not gonna pick it up. And then you also get the little hot cocoa packets. So remember, if you wanna sign up, make sure you sign up by Thursday, October 24th, 2024. And these will ship out Monday, October 28th. If you have any questions at all, you can email me, Melissa, the Stamp Doc, at gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more fun projects.